You know, Toggle, I know 4 languages. How many do you know?
I'm supposed to know only one machine language, but I have managed to install software by which I can understand your language directly too.
What is different about computer languages? And what is machine language?
A computer language is a language that a programmer uses to write programs that can be used to communicate with a computer. Since a computer cannot take decisions by itself, it is made to take commands and instructions. These set of commands and instructions are called programs.
Wow, I want to know more.
Sure. Computer languages can be divided into low and high-level languages. Low-level languages are of 2 types, machine and assembly languages. Machine language is the only language that a computer directly understands. In order to write a machine language program for a computer, the programmer must know details of its hardware. Assembly language, developed in 1950, was the first computer language to use words made with letters of the alphabet. In assembly language, each instruction to the computer is written using a letter combination that tells the computer where data is and what to do with it.
What makes high-level languages different?
High-level languages use English language words and mathematical symbols, and they have made computer programming much simpler. Some examples of high-level languages are BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, C, C++, and Java. A very important point here is that unlike low-level languages, high-level languages are machine-independent. It implies that they can run on various types of computers without needing any change. So, you don't have to worry about using them only on a specific machine.
Wow, that's cool.
Yes, isn't it? Now you know so much more about computers.
Yes, all thanks to you.